it's Ray. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look since you guys are requesting more of makeup videos. And yes, I did another makeup look. And if you haven't subscribed, go and click that subscribe button and let's get started. Hi everyone, I already did my brows off cam to cut this short. So I'll be using the Quick Effects No Shine Mattifier. You already saw this on my Philippine Haul, but I haven't tried it yet. It says here it is a light moisturizer and it absorbs oil to control shine for a smooth and matte finish. It conceals fine lines and pores, which is like a primer as well. At the moment, I feel like it's really mattified my face and it is very soft on my skin. I'm gonna spray a little bit of my Matte Fix Plus. Now for my foundation, since I used the Quick Effects No Shine Mattifier, which gives me a matte finish, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, which is not that really matte. It gives me a very natural looking skin. It is very lightweight. This is one of my favorite foundation. This is in the shade 220, which is kind of dark for my skin tone, but I have a new concealer here, which I think is light on my skin. Speaking of concealer, I bought the Clio Professional Kill Cover Concealer in 3BY, which is the only yellow undertone on their shade range. They only have 3 shades and I got the middle shade, which is 3BY. Inside the box, you'll get the liquid concealer, pencil concealer, pencil brightener, and the sharpener. To set my face, I'm so excited. I did pick up the Mercier Loose Setting Powder and Translucent, and I know I'm so late guys, but it's better late than never. Just a bit on the cap. While it's still baking, I'll be using the Kill Cover Pencil Concealer to conceal the edges of my brows. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm so excited. I just picked up the Colourpop James Street palette in collaboration with Kathleen Lights. I bought this from Amazon for almost 5,000 yen, and I think it is 2,300 pesos, $45, $46. I don't know, but it's very pricey compared to the original price, which is only $16. I can't help myself. I don't know where to buy, and suddenly I saw it on Amazon and I immediately bought it. I'm gonna use the same concealer. I'll be using the Mercier to set my concealer. The first shade I'm gonna use is Moony all over my lid. I'm gonna use the shade Magical as my transition color. I'm gonna use the shade Shooting Star and put it on my crease. Using the shade Potion and put it on my outer V. back into the shade Magical, and I'm gonna blend it on any harsh light. Using the same concealer again and just clean up my lid. I'll be using the shade Twinkle and put it whenever I put the concealer on my lid. Can spray a little bit. I'm gonna use the shade Elfish and put it on my outer V. I'm gonna use the shade Spark and put it on my crease just a little bit. Going back into the Moony and apply it on my brow bone. And here's the swatches, guys. They're very pigmented and easy to blend. Laura Mercier. While it's still baking, I'll be using the Kill Cover Pencil Brightener for my waterline and drag it down into my lower lash line. For my eyeliner and mascara, I did pick up two Heroine products. These are the Smooth Liquid Eyeliner in 01 and the Volume and Curl Mascara also in 01. Apple juice. I'm just gonna add some falsies using this and I'll be right back. Now for my lower lash line, I'm gonna use the shade Potion. Gonna use this shade Elfish for my outer part of my lower lash line. Now I'll be using my Hoola bronzer from Benefit to bronze up my face. Now for my blush, I'll be using the Everbilena Advanced Cheek Color in Mandarin. It comes with a mirror and a brush. But I'm not gonna use the brush because I have my own brush. Now I'm going to use the High Beam from Benefit. I'm just gonna put it at the back of my hand and using a sponge to tap it on to the highest point of my cheeks. To add some layer on my highlight and the rest of my face, I'll be using my favorite Merrill Manizer from the Balm. Actually, the Balm does come up their Merrill Manizer Liquid Highlighter, which is a perfect combo with the Merrill Manizer, and they also have the Bony Luminizer if you guys are wondering. For my lips, I haven't yet used my Phenomenal Lip Kit from Vice Cosmetics. I'm just gonna show you the swatches on my lips. I only have Unicorn, Hoops Kiri, and Girly. I know they come up on other shades without the box and the lip liner. Sorry guys if I'm so late, but here's the swatches. If you guys are wondering, I have here the Good Vibes matte lipstick. I have the Hayabaya Bayu in Good Vibe. Just gonna spray my Fix Plus. watching. Before I end this video, I would like to say a huge thank you for all your love, especially to Sister Jodie Lopez, that really blessed my heart. And of course, you all that really supports me. Also to the people who hates me, I'll always love you no matter what. Actually, as of the moment, I encountered new people. They approached me through my social media, especially on Instagram. People messaging me some love, good things about me, that they first watched me on my Taytay Haul video, that I can do it, that I have a future. And honestly guys, I felt so blessed when you guys told me something I can't imagine for myself. Thank you for telling me those words. It really means a lot to me. I'll always pray for you all. God bless. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bawal kang masira. Dito ko pinofocus kanina. The best part. Bakit putol na agad? Guys.